Aviation Square, a weekly news update brought to you by the Airbus Sky in association with iFly Academy, a one-stop solution for aviation jobs. IndiGo Airways on the radar as DGCA asked for report from the airline over an alleged violation of COVID-19 protocol by media person on flight. This incident took place in a Mumbai-bound flight which had Kangana Ranaut on board. A bill that gives 3 aviation regulators statutory power and enhances the fine for violation from 10 lakhs to 1 crore in a bid to improve aircraft safety, giving statutory powers to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, the Bureau of Civil Aviation, Security and Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Puri said that the changes were necessary in the view of the growth of the sector. The bill empowers the aviation watchdog DGCA to levy penalties up to 1 crore on airlines, airports and other aviation entities of safety standards if they are not followed properly. DGCA to penalize airlines for any incident of in-flight photography. In-flight photography was banned in 1937, but now the DGCA has decided to penalize airlines harshly, even banning the airline for 2 weeks. This has to do with the incident of IndiGo flight from Chandigarh to Mumbai last Wednesday. On the plane, several press members took the flight to interview actress Kangana Ranaut while on the plane, violating the COVID-19 guidelines. Flybig plans to start operations in October. The AOC, that is Air Operations Certificate for Flybig, is in the final document stage. Jet Airways insolvency process may have entered its last stage, with 2 bidders submitting revised proposals. The recertification of the Boeing 737 MAX, which has been grounded since March 2019, is under process. Last week and this week, official has begun testing the aircraft in line with new developments. Vistara has commenced thrice weekly flight to Heathrow from Delhi under the bilateral air bubble agreement and are planning for other European countries as well. Like, share and subscribe to the Airbus Guy. Stay happy, stay healthy.